Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to React Native Crashlytics for issue alerts, full guide step by. Navigate to the Firebase console by entering the URL firebase.google.com in the address bar. Log in with your Google account associated with your Firebase project. Once logged in, locate and click on the project you are working on. In the left sidebar, find and select the option labeled Crashlytics. If Crashlytics is not already set up for your project, follow the prompts to enable. After enabling, you will land on the Crashlytics dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner and click on it. In the settings menu, locate the alerts section. Click on alerts to configure your alert settings. You will see options to create alerts based on various issue criteria. Select the types of issues for which you want to receive alerts, such as new issues or regression issues. Next, choose your preferred notification method. You can opt for email notifications, Slack integration, or other available options. For email notifications, enter the email addresses of the team members who should receive alerts. If you prefer Slack, follow the prompts to integrate your Slack workspace. After setting your preferences, make sure to save the changes. Review the summary of your alert settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Finally, monitor the Crashlytics dashboard regularly for any new alerts or updates related to your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.